Hello, very good morning. Students, last class I have explained that is based on self practice 4A, 7, 8 question. Now I want to explain next chapter, next exercise, that is self practice 4B. Okay. So already I have explained laws of exponents. Means if two exponents are multiplied with the same base, power is different, no problem. If two exponent is multiplied, means 3 here also 3, both are same base, then in case of multiplication we will add both the power. Okay, so if just you see here, I have explained, just you memorize a power m into a power m is there and n is there. Here both are same base, so we will do here m plus n like this. A power m plus n means power should be added. If in multiplication bases is same, then power should be added. Always just memorize like this. Okay. So here base is same, means 3 base is there and power is 3 power 7, here 3 power 5. Then in case of multiplication we will add both the power, means 3 power 7 plus 5 will come. Now we add, how much will come? 7 power 12 will come. So this is the final answer. So we will not find accurate value, what value of this come, no need to find. Just question is, what is asking? Multiply and write the product as 1 power. Means here 2 power is there, so we are converted into 1 power, means 1 base and then power is there. Okay, so like it we will do in this type of question. Next one, just you see here again 4 power 7 is there into 4 power 5 is there. So 4 power 7, again 4 base is 4, here also and here also, and power is different. Here multiply is the given, so we will add both the power. Okay, so 4 power 7 into 4 power 5, it will come 4 power 12, 7 plus 5 like this. So it will come 4 power 12. Okay, this is the answer. Next one, 7 power 8 into 7 power 5. Here base is same, both base is same and power is different, and here multiply is there, so we will add both the power, so it will come 7 power 8 plus 5. So 7 power 8 plus 5, how much will come? 8 plus 5 is 13. So answer is 7 power 13 it will come. Okay, next one, 1 upon 2 whole power 7, 1 upon 2 whole power 3 is there. Means here base is fraction but both are same base, so we will again do same process. 1 upon 2 whole power 7 plus 3, so it will come 1 upon 2, 7 plus 3 means 10, so it will come 1 upon 2 whole power 10. Next one, minus 7 upon 9 into minus 7 upon 9. So minus 7 upon 9, both are same base, we will add both the power, 11 plus 6, so 11 plus 6, so it will come minus 7 upon 9, 11 plus 6, 17 will come. Okay, so minus 7 upon 9 whole power 17 will come. Next one, G, 5 upon 30 into 5 upon 30, 5 upon 30 power 9 is there, 5 upon 30 power 11 is there, so it will come 5 upon 30, both are same base, it will come 9 plus 11 means 5 upon 13 whole power 18 will come. 9 plus 11, sorry, 20 will come. So power is 20. 5 upon 13 whole power 20 will come. Like that we will do the question. Next one, I will take more example also. Just you see here. In second question, division is there. So I will explain in the next video, but I will take some more example based on this first question only. If some variable are given, number are not given, so what we'll do in this case? Means like this, 7th part, x power 2 into x, so wait, a power 2 into a power 3 into a power 6 like this. So just you see here, a power 2 into a power 3 into a power 6. So again here base is same a. Power is different only, okay, and here multiply is given. So again we will add both all the power. So a power 2 plus 3 plus 6 like this. So just you add all the power. Now how much will come? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 6 11. So a power 11 will come. Okay. Next one, eighth one, p square into p power 4 into p power minus 3 like this. Sometimes question will come like this also. So just you see here, both have, all three have same power base and power is different to 4 and minus 3. So again we will add both all the power. 2 plus 4 here plus, you have to put here plus, but minus sign is there, so just you put here like this bracket minus 3. Okay, because minus sign is there, that's why I have put here bracket small. Next we will remove this bracket, then plus minus will come. Okay, so p power 2 plus 4 minus 3 will come like this. After then just you add both and then we'll subtract. Okay, so 2 plus 4 6 will come, so p power 6 minus 3, it will come p power 3. So final answer is p power 3. Okay, so like that we will do in the exercise problem. Whatever problem will come in the exercise. Okay, that's all.